guys, it's Brittany and this is the channel that was formerly known as BA Beauty, but we have changed things up and we are now going to go by BA Lifestyle because we wanted to talk about more than just beauty, and we just feel like there's so much more we're interested in. We want to talk about makeup, of course. I mean, Abby and I love it. Skincare, but we also want to talk about family stuff and home goods, house cleaning goods, and that kind of stuff. So anything you want to see, just let us know. We're just really happy to be coming back. We've been so busy. So enough of that. Let's get into it. I have a new order from the Grove. Yay! Was it Grove? Just Grove? I don't know. I have their website up here. It's the Grove Collaborative, and I have some really exciting stuff in here, and let's talk about it. Okay, so they came out with a limited edition Mrs Meyers fall set. I'm gonna stop looking at my computer. And my cat is over here and he's being very needy, so what can he do? Okay, so I'm really excited about this. This is a maple and nutmeg soy candle. Ooh. I mean, it's just packaging. Oh my god, you can smell it as soon as you open the box. I just dug my finger right into the wax. Ooh. So good. That smells like fall. I wish I had 10 of these because, oh my god. Maple and nutmeg. It's a 7-ounce candle. Oh my god. Alright. Next. So this was not part of the set. This is just something I ordered separately, but it's all in my subscription. And this is the Method dish soap, but I got it in Honeycrisp apple. Also very fitting for fall. If you notice, everyone is ready for fall. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm probably gonna say that through the whole video. But like, everybody is ready for fall, and I feel like I didn't get to enjoy any of summer. So I better get on it. I got to go to my cousin's wedding last weekend. That was pretty fun. So congratulations, Ryan and Beth. And it was just fun. And we went with our youngest son, Harrison, and he's 3 and he wanted to dance and stuff, but he can only last so long. And so about 9 o'clock, 9:30, we took him to Skylar's sister's house and he spent the night, and we went back and continued to have fun and dance, and my feet hurt for 2 days. But it was so fun, and Skylar and I don't ever just get to have him and me time, so that was amazing. And on a side note, it's our anniversary, so 5 years of marriage. Yay! Alright, next. Sorry, I'm gonna talk a lot. See, I missed you guys. Ooh, this came in the seasonal set. This is Marigold Yellow. It's a very cute towel. I'm gonna put the box down. Let's see. I like my cute pillow. I love this. I can't remember if I got it at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. One of those. But how cute is that? I'm getting a collection of fall kitchen stuff. Alright. The Mrs Meyers Clean Day Pumpkin Scent Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Is it going to be weird if I smell a multi-surface? What is it? Multi-surface cleaner? That's pumpkin. Really excited because I'm going to have all the good smells going on. I really like their cleaning stuff. I had the mint and I forgot the other one, but they just smell really fresh. Like, you know how sometimes people clean or you clean and your kitchen just like smells, maybe some people like this, sterile. I want it to still smell like my home, like just walk in and be like, ah, homey. Alright, so this is the Mrs Meyers Clean Day Pumpkin Scent dish soap. Pretty pumped. I go through so much dish soap because our dishwasher decided to not work anymore. So Skylar, if you want our anniversary to be really awesome, you should fix our dishwasher. Totally kidding. But if you want to, go for it. I mean, I smell the pumpkin on that, but it's not like super strong. But I mean, it's soap. Dish soap. And then this is like a constant reorder for me. This is the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. Just sponges. But I keep ordering those every month. So, new ones. Alright. Oh, and another reorder. Dish brush refills. I have the brush that you put like the soap in it and it just dispenses it through here. So, just refills. Standard. What else we got on here? Ooh, okay. The Mrs Meyers pumpkin scent hand soap. I'm really excited about this collection. Is that ridiculous? I don't want summer to end, but I love fall scents. I like it. At first I was like, do I? And lastly, oh, I got 2 hand soaps. I forgot. The one comes from the set. I can't talk. And this one I ordered like an extra. Because normally I get the mint or whatever scent they have. But I thought it'd be good to have another pumpkin because we go through a lot of hand soap too. So really excited about this. And let me just read to you what it says on the back. It's made with plant-derived cleaning ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin, and olive oil. And it's made without parabens, phthalates, MEA and DEA, artificial colors. So, awesome. Let me see. There's a little booklet in here. Oh, cool. It's just like a little fall catalog. Share a gift set and get $10 off. What? Oh, so this is like their first time ever like printing something like this. It's pretty cool. They're showing like different products and the prices. I have to say a lot of this stuff is really reasonable. Like, let's see. The Grove Collaborative Grunge Buster Grout and Tile Brush. That's only $6.95. So I think that's pretty cool. And then they have some self-care items in there. I really like that they list prices and stuff. I feel like so many times you get booklets they don't list prices. Like, just tell me the real story, man. And I really thought this was interesting. It says the future paper has arrived. And it's like toilet paper, but they've done like paper towels and other things. And it's not made with trees. And I think that's really awesome. So it's called Seedling by Grove. I think that's really neat. A lot of change needs to be happening. The fall set back here. And, ooh. Oh my gosh. Like I said, my cat's gonna be annoying. They're releasing a new pomegranate design collection. Pairing beautifully designed glass soap pumps with delightful, naturally scented hand and dish soap. This collection brings rich colors and scents to your home. Let's see if I can get it to show up. How cute. You got me. You got me just with the cuteness. But yeah, it shows the prices there. So like the stoneware tray, $9.95, dish soap, $5.95, glass dish soap vessel, $12.95. So I mean, really reasonable. I really love Grove Collaborative. I just feel like everything I've gotten has been really good. I can't think of anything I didn't like. Yeah, this was a pretty short video. I hope wasn't too annoying because I can't talk. But I'm really excited to be making our comeback and some more good videos coming, and hopefully Abby will be back soon with her big news. And like I said, there's just been a lot going on. So we will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for sticking with us. Bye.